Wow, this is crazy. I totally remember this. We were stuck in the car with Allie's parents, 2 hours from shore, and our phones were dead. It's brutal.
So, who is the beach hottie?
I have no idea.
But you were writing about him.
I just knew him by that name. I mean, Allie never told me who he was.
So you never even met him?
Well, I mean, I probably did. Honestly, there were so many hotties down there that summer. But Allie was being really sketchy about it. I just assumed he was seeing her on the side. He probably had a girlfriend or something.
Would Jason know this person?
If he did, he would have made him sorry he ever looked at his little sister.
Why?
Will somebody call Jason and tell him to leave his weed and come meet up with us? What are you doing here?
I needed to talk to you.
What's wrong?
I think I'm in trouble.
What do you mean?
I'm late.
Like,
Yeah,
you mean you weren't using
we
protection?
were. Just not all the time.
Okay, how late are you?
2 weeks.
Have you ever been late before?
What am I gonna do?
Have you told him?
I can't. Like, if he finds out, he's gonna kill me.
Allie was...
Listen, I'm not a doctor, but she thought that she was. It's like I said, it was an intense couple weeks.